Good morning. We're going to breakfast. That's our room. That's the number. So we could get up. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Buenos días. Bienito.
Hi, buenos días.
I'll see you later. The hubby's in a rush.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is fine. This is loose. Well, I won't get burnt. And if I feel the sun on me, it has a hood on it. I could put the hood. This is gonna be a 90 in Dominica. You can get sus tacos. We don't do the elevators, we're doing the stairs since we got here. Look how beautiful. Look at the Christmas tree. Getting ready for Christmas. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's French quarters. Mardi Gras.
Take a picture, right?
Oh, that's tight. Look at that. Sorry.
I'm trying to really even get to Cool.
You made it to the
377.
377. We're eating at Palms breakfast restaurant.
If your table number is ready, you can just wait this side, please. Your table number again?
377.
377, please.
When we see somebody with the scooters, that is still hardly standing, we give them privilege. Okay? I have a table ready for them, so don't let them.
They can have my table.
And numbers, now your table. Your number again. No, they're very much hardly standing. 377.
Yeah, people are walking.
Follow him, please. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you. 377 next our table. Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
Fine. Good morning, good morning. No, we don't get the view today. In the corner.
Can have everything you want every day.
We made it. This is our breakfast table for today. Can you see baby turn?
What up?
No pancakes for me today. Just give me a toast.
I'll let you order what you want. How about that? How much you order?